How to find out your Apple ID phone number. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you wanna check the phone number linked with your Apple ID, then here's how you can find this out. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out the Apple ID phone number, you just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone and then simply go and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Now, once you're here inside your Apple ID, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and you'll get to see the Apple ID with the device name. You just need to tap on your device name here, and once you do that, this will take a little time, and inside this one, you'll get to see all the details are available. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to see the phone number is available. This is actually my phone number linked with my Apple ID, and this is how you can find out the phone number that is linked with your Apple ID. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.